Today's Professionals brought to you by The Basement Doctor.
Hi, welcome to Today's Professionals, and good afternoon. I'm John Clements with The Basement Doctor, and right now we're in a crawl space that we've recently done our encapsulation system to. Over the course of the next few weeks, we're going to do things a little differently than what you might be used to seeing here. We're stealing a play from Mike Rowe with his TV show Dirty Jobs, and we've put a GoPro on. We're inside crawl spaces and we're tearing it out, we're making it right, we're showing you exactly what's wrong with some crawl spaces and how we go about fixing them. Right now this is obviously the finished look to it, and it's a very nice, it smells good. I feel like we could almost lay down and take a nap in here, but obviously we're working and we can't do that. It is a usable space finally. When you see the pictures that what it looked like before, you're going to see some rotted old ductwork that had holes in it. You're going to see a couple of tenants that moved in, didn't pay any rent, and they met their demise. They're about yay big and furry little creatures. But we got rid of them. We've sealed up the crawl spaces and the entrances, and it's now a healthy environment. You'll see that we've done some basement waterproofing, or I'm sorry, crawl space waterproofing to it. And we've also got one of our sanitizers in here for treating the air. But we're going to go into greater detail over the next 5 or 6 weeks, showing you all the different solutions that we've got and the way that we install it. And I hope that you find it educational and that you enjoy it. It was a lot of fun for us to do, and it's very nice to be able to take this type of an atmosphere, put it onto TV, and show you ahead of time exactly what you expect from a crawl space, why we do it, why we don't do it a different way, and get things taken care of properly for you.